Learn English verbs, common collocations with parts of the body, from EspressoEnglish.net. One of the best ways to learn English vocabulary is through pictures. In this lesson, you'll learn verbs for common actions you can do with your body. Nod your head. Shake your head. When you nod your head, you move your head up and down. This means yes, or I agree, or I approve. When you shake your head, you move your head from side to side. This means no, or I disagree, or disapprove. Turn your head. To turn your head is to direct it to one side. We can also say turn towards when the person turns to look at something, and turn away when the person turns in the opposite direction. Roll your eyes. If you roll your eyes, it is often when you are annoyed, when you want to be sarcastic, or when you think something is stupid. Be careful with this gesture because it can be impolite. Wink. Blink your eyes. You wink when you close only one eye and quickly open it again. This means something is funny or cute. Sometimes people also wink when they are romantically interested in another person. You blink when you close both eyes and quickly open them again. This gesture doesn't have any particular meaning because we do it constantly. Raise an eyebrow. Raise your eyebrows. When you raise an eyebrow, only one eyebrow, it means you are curious, suspicious, or skeptical of something. When you raise your eyebrows, two eyebrows, it usually means that you're surprised. Blow your nose. When you blow your nose, you clean out the contents of your nose into a tissue or handkerchief. Stick out your tongue. Children often stick out their tongues to be silly or to tease another child. Depending on the attitude of the person doing it, it can also be rude. Clear your throat. Clearing your throat is a sound like this. Many people try to clear their throat when they are sick, but it can also be used in social situations to get someone's attention. Shrug your shoulders. You can shrug your shoulders to say, I don't know, I don't care, or it's not important. Cross your legs. Crossing your legs doesn't have any particular meaning. It is just a way to sit. Cross your arms. In some cases, crossing your arms can be neutral, but it's also possible to cross your arms to show that you are angry. Keep your fingers crossed. Keeping your fingers crossed has a special meaning in English. It means to hope for good luck or a positive result. Give the finger. Giving the finger is an extremely rude gesture. Another idiom for it is flip off. Give the thumbs up. Give the thumbs down. If you give the thumbs up, it means you approve of something or you think it's great. If you give the thumbs down, it means you disapprove of something or you think it's terrible. Visit www.espressoenglish.net for more English tips. If you like this video, please share.